நேயர்களே, நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் த லைட் வித்தின் யூ ஸ்ரீ சேனல் இருக்கு. நிறைய சப்ஸ்கிரைபர்ஸ் வந்துட்டு இருக்கீங்க. இதே மாதிரி நிறைய பேர் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணி நம்ம வீடியோஸை ஷேர் பண்ணி லைக் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்றது என்னோட பணிவான வேண்டுகோள். There has been a lot of overwhelming response to your favorite channel, Find the Light Within You Sri. And within a short span of time, we've been receiving a lot of subscribers. Thanks to YouTube, thanks to you all for your support and guidance and help. Because as an amateur, I started making videos. I didn't want to make a start a YouTube channel at any point of time in my life, but it happened. And it is all because of your support and motivation. I've been making a lot of videos and giving a lot of knowledge and talks to you. Thank you to all my subscribers, and I request you to share my videos to your friends, relatives, whoever you come across. Good things can be shared to anyone. Okay. Today, I'm going to talk about something called as anger and aggression. Many people think getting angry or getting aggressive is not a human nature. Okay. Do you know what happened in the Mahabharata war? When Arjuna lost his ideal or lost his vision of fighting for Dharma, Krishna came and gave the knowledge and made him more aggressive. Okay. He created the anger, the fire within him. Anger is a kind of a fire. And he made him more aggressive, that he'll be more strong and he'll fight for Dharma. Okay. And aggression has got its own boundaries. If you overtake or if you cross the boundary of aggression, everybody has got a boundary of themselves for their emotion. So if you cross the boundary of aggression, you will become depressed. Okay. Like what happened to Ashoka after the Kalinga war? He became depressed and he wanted to surrender to the great master Buddha. And that is when he became a yogi, a spiritual guru or something like that. He became so aggressive in the Kalinga war that he killed so many people, and because of that he dropped his aggression and he suddenly turned depressive and he went in search of a guru. So when your anger and your aggression is in a boundary, there is a transformation happening within you and around you. Okay. I think everybody would have known about Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva's another form is Rudra. Rudra means the one who keeps roaring. Roaring is an act or a kind or a function of a lion or a tiger. Okay, even cheetahs and leopards do that. So, roaring creates something wonderful. Why do you stop roaring in life? Why do you stop being aggressive? You need to be aggressive whenever you are seeking something in life. Okay. Aggression and anger, if handled properly, makes you the most beautiful human being on this planet. When I say aggression and anger, it is always not on the other person. It is on you for your benefit in life. For example, you see somebody doing unethical task on the road, or they don't behave very well on the road. Okay. You just go and advise them with a loud noise, which means you're roaring, and you come out of the place. Aggression and anger is not picking up a street fight or showing your physical power. Okay. Aggression and anger, if used properly, you are the most intense human being on this planet. All the intense people I've come across are both subtle, kind, aggressive, with an extreme anger where they give a glimpse of their eyes, people shut their mouth, either within the family or in a meeting or in a crowd, wherever they go. Okay. Especially for a woman, aggression and anger protects her. Okay. For a man, this again, as I told you, it creates a kind of a boundary where he becomes more intense. A human being becomes more and more intense. So whenever you come across aggressive and angry people, don't keep blaming them, because they would have come across certain situations in life which have made them like that. Or life itself would have turned them like that. Okay, there are two kinds: external situations or life itself. Okay, so aggressive and angry people are very intense and they are very ethical also. They cannot go and do a crime or a criminal act just like that. Okay, so if you are such a kind, or if you want to inculcate such qualities, look at the history. As I gave you one example of Arjuna becoming subtle or not performing his duty, Krishna comes as a teacher and makes him more aggressive and inculcates that anger for dharma. I want everybody to become more ethical so that this world is not going to be in wrong hands anymore. When I say world, I'm not talking about one person ruling the world. Okay, everybody belongs to this planet. If this planet rejects every one of us, where are we going to go? So this is our home. So making our home beautiful is everybody's duty. So please take care and ponder over what has been given to you, or what has been given to you in this talk. Thank you. Thank you all. Keep liking, sharing and subscribing to our videos, and keep supporting by spreading this wonderful knowledge to many people as much as you can. Thank you all. Thank you.